Hello, my name is Maray Borrego. I'm a real estate broker with John L. Scott in the state of Washington. I have been doing real estate for the past 16 years. And for about 22, I have been involved in everything that has to do with remodeling. Like this property behind us, it's a beautiful example of everything that we love to do. Together with my husband last year, we decided to go into business with Eagle Renovations. At Eagle Renovations, we transform houses like this into beautiful homes. Why? Because once this is done, we're gonna list it in the market, have it market ready for the next buyers. The bad thing here is maybe the homeowners decide to keep it. I don't know. So we came over and met with the homeowners. They're a very young couple and they bought this property about 2 years ago. They said, Maray, we started doing all these projects ourselves and got lost along the way. They had so many projects started and we're like, don't worry about it. Go on vacation, we got it. So basically what we started doing is, I see the house and it was a dark brown before. I want to turn it into a modern farmhouse. I like the white. I'm gonna do the accent in a dark carbon copy. It's what it's called. It's like a charcoal dark gray. We're gonna do the garage door, the front door, put new gravel, new tile coming in through the main door. We're still working our way there, but if we go to the back, I'll show you what the landscape looked before and what it's looking like right now. So I brought you back here, and the reason is because this has been a huge transformation. When we first came into the property, we couldn't pass that front line right there. We couldn't walk in here. The reason why, it was because there used to be a deck, and underneath they found everything you can think of. So look at the pictures and see the before. Crazy. There was a bunch of pathways. There were all different materials. There was half concrete, half tile, half pavers. You name it, you found it here all around the house. There was actually a fountain right here that the minute I saw it, I'm like, oh my God, what is this, right? So that's gone. We are making sure that this looks clean, low maintenance, and then whoever buys this property can easily put here maybe a playground for the kids. I don't know, but this is just very, very simple. The fence is gonna be painted in dark charcoal gray. It's gonna be beautiful. And just look at the room that they have available now. This used to be a window. The homeowners decided to have a French door leading into the patio. We're gonna be doing the steps. I mean, we invested a lot of money. This has been a huge transformation. So now that I've showed you the backyard, we're gonna go and show you the inside. There's so many things going on inside. It's gonna be beautiful. When we used to walk in here, there was a natural, kind of yellowish, natural wood finish in the main hallway. This used to be carpet, very, very dirty carpet. There used to be chandeliers coming down here in gold. And in the dining room, there used to be a huge chandelier also. So we decided to remove the carpet from the entire first floor. There's no need to have carpet. We went ahead and decided to go with this beautiful wood plank flooring, dark. We're actually gonna paint the staircase dark as well. The red's gone. I don't like red, no cherry, that's gone. So the reason why I went with modern farmhouse is because I love the neutral, just light, white walls, dark flooring. And I went with some industrial looking lamps. It's got like the iron and the gold. And I'm just thinking that it's gonna look so beautiful in here. We wanna do as much as possible to increase the value of the property. Where, as far as flooring, painting, anything that we can do to just make it go, wow. So when we walk in here, this is a little family room. What we did here was we added the shiplap slabs. We added tile, and this again is all gonna be wood flooring. No carpet, no vinyl in this room. So the next room, and my favorite room in the house, is the kitchen. This had a closet that for some reason I didn't like it at all. I was like, hold on a second, the kitchen is enclosed. Not only does it make it smaller, but not a whole lot of light in this kitchen. There used to be an angle, as you can see here, a closet that you will come around and it's just your pantry, right? Well, we removed it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a peninsula, kind of like a little small 48-inch island. We're gonna have a pendant light, and then that's just gonna be more open space. And I'm gonna go ahead and go with the basic white shaker door. Why? Because white makes it brighter, makes it bigger. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go with white quartz countertops, but I wanna add a little bit of color that will bring the flooring into the backsplash. And this is what we decided to do as far as the backsplash right here. It's just gonna give it that contrast of white and brown and gold, gray. Overall, the whole idea is to just do an open concept kitchen where I'm here cooking and I'm taking care of my family next door as they watch TV. When we started working at the project, this was enclosed. I had no idea I would find this beautiful, open, natural light. And now look at this. French doors going out to your landscape. We went ahead and installed, we removed the vinyl flooring that was inside the laundry. Just went ahead and went with a 16 by 16 tile that has a little bit of character to it with a little bit of blues. So I really like that. And I went ahead and did the long, narrow tile in this cute little guest bathroom. Okay, so I'll show you upstairs. There's a lot of work still being done. There is another second guest bathroom that we're working on. And this is your doors to the master. I promise you it won't be like this in about a week. This is all gonna be white. When we first walk into this master bathroom, there is going to be a nice white jetted tub in here. There's going to be a nice white double vanity. We're upgrading the light fixtures. We have Cesar here working in the tile. We're doing a nice subway tile shower. We're gonna have glass doors. We're gonna do matching flooring as we did downstairs. And hopefully this is going to be somebody's dream home. All right, so you guys have seen a little bit of what's going on back here for about 2 weeks, non-stop, every single day. For 2 weeks, we have been working very hard. I can't wait to show you next week how this is all gonna come along. I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, I am so excited. Today is the day where we're gonna go ahead and give the keys back to the homeowners. The property has been completed now. They haven't seen it for about 2 weeks, and I sure hope that they love it. Not sure if they're gonna keep it or sell it. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Oh my God, hi guys. You missing your bed?
Yes.
Okay, all right, well you're here. I promised another 10 minutes and you can move right into your home. So here we are. What do you guys think?
It's nice. I love the color of it. It turned out really good.
You're like the only house in the block, in the neighborhood, white and charcoal. So I like to stand out, and especially because we're gonna list the home to sell, right? Mm-hmm. We wanted to make sure it's a modern farmhouse kind of look. We've worked so hard in your home to make it pretty, so I hope you like it. I wanted you to go inside, tell me exactly what you think, and hopefully we are gonna sell it quick.
Oh, wow.
Remember the old carpet you guys had, and remember all that yellow wood flooring?
Yes.
It's gone.
Oh, thank God.
It's gone. Yeah.
It looks nice.
It's a lot of white and a lot of dark gray. Mm-hmm. It's kind, it's modern. We have the dining room area where you had that huge, I don't know, yellow goldish chandelier.
Yes.
I had so much fun having the guys take that apart.
I hope you broke it.
I want you guys to just go and walk inside the kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Remember how you had that closet here? Mm-hmm. And when we first talked about the remodeling, we never talked about removing this closet, right?
I was surprised.
But then there was one day that David and I were working in the fireplace, and we looked over here and we both kind of said, "You want it gone?" I said, "Yeah." We started bringing that baby down, and look what you got.
Yeah,
you have
it really
an island.
opens it up, that's for sure.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Way better.
I really want you guys to, whoever likes cooking the best, be able to cook and be able to interact with watching TV in the family room. They're like, wow.
And I really like these too. These
You
are,
like it?
Yeah.
So I wanted them to have brand new cabinets, and they are all full extension drawers, and they're soft close.
Wow.
I don't know if you've seen the sink yet, but it's a beautiful farm sink, and it comes with a bunch of stuff. And just so you know, it's got a lot of water pressure.
Nice.
Remember when you had the table here and we were talking, and I looked behind me and I said, "Oh my God, David, what are we gonna do with this fireplace?" It's gone too.
That's nice though.
You like it?
We haven't even done our own pictures, and you did it for us.
Really? Oh,
We
that's
got
so
a picture
sweet.
before we did.
I know.
We went ahead and did tile. You guys used to have that big holes or whatever
looks
they're
way
called.
better.
But you have a brand new modern
Looks really good.
fireplace. And I'm pretty sure you guys can sit here, watch TV, and whoever is cooking again can interact with everything that's going on here, which you couldn't do that before. And I bet from here you can see what's going on out there, huh?
Oh.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, when we first walked in here, we were like, David and I, we were looking at each other. I'm like, oh my God, how are we gonna even get started? Remember?
Yeah.
No sabíamos cómo empezar. But then we brought like 5 guys and a whole week of work. And this is what you guys get.
Words cannot describe how long I had badgered him about this in the back door. And the back door looks great.
Yeah.
We never thought you were gonna do grass. I thought you were gonna do like just gravel level. But
yeah.
grass, it looks freaking
I
cool.
think grass makes it, look really nice. You guys like the way I
Looks
painted
very
the fence?
Yeah, at first I didn't think I was gonna like the gray, but when I saw it, it's really good. I really like it actually.
Yeah, to match the trim.
Yep.
Yeah, and then remember that fountain you guys had back there?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. David was like, should we fix the fountain? Que quería arreglar la And I'm like, no, that's gone. All right, guys, so you've seen the home, right? And everything that has happened. I am so excited about listing it and selling it. I'm excited about the new buyers that are gonna be walking in, but I'll be honest, the last text messages that I got from you, I felt like you were hesitant about listing it. Talk to me.
Yeah, like we had snuck in a few peeks beforehand, so I was like, I don't know, I kind of want to keep it, but I don't know, talk to my husband about it first.
Oh, you did peekaboo when I told you not
Yeah.
to. Oh, te dije. I said, David, I am pretty sure they're looking around, but that's fine. It's your home, and I'm glad that you guys
I
like
couldn't
it.
help myself.
You can help yourself. I'm glad you guys like it, but wait. So are you okay?
Well, we've been looking at other houses though, and nothing comes anywhere close to what this house looks like. So I think
Yeah, I think we want to keep
we
it.
might
yeah.
want to keep it.
Oh my God, they're gonna keep the house. Barbecue right here to celebrate. I am so happy and grateful. I mean, just to see their happy faces when they walked in. I know they loved the home, but I would never have thought that they were gonna keep the house. But then again, I don't blame them. I mean, I would have kept it too. We've worked very, very hard for about 3 weeks, day and night, getting this home ready for the market just to find out that they're going to keep the home. But anyhow, this is what we love doing, and I cannot wait for the next project to come around. Eagle Homes and Land, Eagle Renovation. We're general contractors, licensed, bonded, and insured. See you soon.